Smileywitdalocs, and today I'm going to show you all how I do my beehive bun that I did in my hairstyle of the week video. Check that out to see how it originally looked. So you want to start off with the ponytail on top of your head, a small ponytail, and then you want to wrap it around and tuck. There you have your little bun. So next you want to start with the hair closest to the bun, this part right here. So I'm going to start in the back first. I'm going to cross it over and wrap it around. And tuck it. Then you want to go on this side, take some locks, wrap this side around, and tuck it. Now I'm going to take some from the front and cross it over that side. Tuck it in somewhere. You can see it's starting to get higher. This side. Tuck it in. The sides in there, so the back is the last thing that you are going to do. So take some, go to the opposite side, bring it around and tuck it. So go this way. Tuck it. Get over. Tuck it. Like, I don't want to tuck this across this part, so I'm going to go on the inside of it. Tuck it. So this is how it came out. And for my bangs, of course, I have lock knots. Just plenty of videos on YouTube to show you how to do these. So yeah, this is it.